Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Rotonda local and long distance movers near me. When it comes to moving within Rotonda, 3 Movers is the go to local moving company. Our Rotonda local TM movers know the ins and outs of the city, allowing for efficient and hassle free moves. Whether you're moving to a new apartment or a larger home, we have the expertise to handle all your local moving needs. Our local moving services ensure that your belongings are safely transported to your new address, allowing you to focus on exploring Rotonda's picturesque landscapes and vibrant community. Planning a long distance move from Rotonda? 3 Movers has got you covered. We understand that long distance moves can be daunting, but with our reliable services, you can rest assured that your belongings will arrive safely and on time at your new destination. Our team of Rotonda long distance 3 Movers are experienced in navigating the logistics of moving across state lines. From packing your belongings securely to providing personalized support throughout the journey, we prioritize the safety and satisfaction of our customers. Whether you're moving within Florida or to a different state, 3 Movers ensures a seamless and efficient long distance move. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Rotonda moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.